Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making an Easter egg nest cake. What you need: 250 grams of dark chocolate, 125 grams of butter, 6 eggs, 175 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the topping, 125 grams of dark chocolate, 250 millilitres of double cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 packet of chocolate mini eggs. Preheat your fan oven to 160 degrees and line a cake tin with grease-proof paper. Add your chocolate and butter into the bowl and melt it in the microwave. Now that we have melted our chocolate and butter, leave it to one side to cool down. Now, while our chocolate is cooling, we are going to whisk our egg whites until they form a peak while gradually adding our 100 grams of caster sugar. In another bowl, whisk together your 2 whole eggs, 4 yolks and sugar with vanilla extract, then gently fold in your chocolate mixture. Now add in your egg white. Now pour your mixture into your cake tin. Now that the cake has finished cooking, you need to leave it to completely cool. What you'll notice is your cake would have risen. Then, once you leave it to cool, you will see it will form a crater like this. And it will also crack. This is what you want the top of your cake to look like. Now we are going to make our topping. The first thing you'll want to do is melt your chocolate. Our chocolate is now melted. Now leave it to one side to cool. Whip the cream until it is firm and soft. Add in your vanilla extract and melted chocolate. Fill your crater with the chocolate cream. Now decorate with mini eggs. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.